Today we discuss non-cardiac chest pain. Channel's name is Heartbeat. My name is Dr. Amrit Kejriwal. So coming to the definition, chest pain due to health issues other than problems of heart is called non-cardiac chest pain. So chest pain can be broadly classified into two categories. One is the pain related to the heart, chest pain, and issues other than the heart. There is a similarity between the cardiac causes of chest pain and the non-cardiac chest pain, and this leads to confusion. They have a common nerve supply and the brain cannot differentiate between heart pain and other structures. So it leads to confusion. Again, non-cardiac chest pain may change with breathing, posture, cough and meals. There are various causes of non-cardiac chest pain. It can be related to the esophagus. So causes gastroesophageal reflux disease, esophageal muscle disorders, increased sensitivity of esophagus. There can be other causes also, such as muscle and bones of the chest and spine, disease of them, lung disorders and its covering of the heart. Certain abdominal conditions can cause chest pain, some skin problems and anxiety and depression. The life-threatening causes of non-cardiac chest pain. So, if there's a clot in the blood vessels of the lung, commonly called as pulmonary embolism, that can cause a clot in the blood vessels of the lung, and this can be life-threatening. If there is a longitudinal tear in the aorta wall, aorta is a blood vessel which supplies the blood from the heart to the various parts of the body, and if there is a tear in the aorta, then this can also cause a life-threatening non-cardiac cause of chest pain. If there is air between the lungs and the chest wall, this can also cause a life-threatening non-cardiac cause. And tearing of the food pipe, the esophagus, which leads food from our mouth to the stomach, if this also tears, then this can cause a life-threatening non-cardiac cause. It affects children, and this can affect adults also, and females are more predominantly affected than males. Medical attention: never ignore chest pain, especially if it starts abruptly and does not improve by itself, starts at rest, increases in severity and is prolonged. If it is associated with shortness of breath, fainting, giddiness, fever, coughing of blood, and if there is recurrent intermittent chest pain. If there is difficulty in swallowing, again chest pain should not be ignored. Approach: first of all, it will be checked if it's an emergency or it's a routine part of the chest pain. And this can be achieved by history, clinical examination and various investigations. Some investigations are bedside. So you have to rule out the cardiac disease by various tests. I have already put up a video on cardiac chest pain. Look out for any other obvious cause, which can be due to skin infection, muscle pull or rib fracture. Further tests can be done, such as endoscopy, study of acid in the food pipe, esophageal motility tests, and ultrasonography of the abdomen. Again, as I already mentioned, chest pain can be due to conditions of the abdomen, and so ultrasonography of the abdomen may be required. Treatment: it depends upon the specific cause. If it is a muscle pull, you have to treat for the muscle pull. Musculoskeletal pain may respond to painkillers or counter-irritants, local heat. GRD to diet modification and proton pump inhibitors. Proton pump inhibitors are a set of drugs which reduce the acidity. Further treatment: if you take proton pump inhibitors for 2 weeks and reduce the pain, then probably it is due to gastroesophageal reflux disease that the acid from the stomach goes into the esophagus. If it does not respond, consider tricyclic antidepressants. If no response, consider other medications such as fluoxetine or sertraline. Conclusion: to find out the exact cause, it may require further tests, and if the patient is suffering from anxiety or depression, it may require counseling. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like the video. Feel free to give comments. Please subscribe to the channel and share link with your friends. Thank you once again.